Good job.
I know I need to give these to the Queen of Hearts. If you
Queen of Hearts, who's that?
Sophia, my sister. Sophia, Queen of Hearts. Knock, knock. Who's there? Queen of Hearts, sister. Queen of Hearts, sister who? Not a knock joke. Not a knock joke. Sister, I can come in. Huh? Can I come in? Yes. I got you some flowers. Thank you.
So who are you, Sophia?
The Queen of Hearts.
And why are you the Queen of Hearts?
Because it has this picture and some flowers. Or you could say because you love hearts. Because I love hearts.
What pretty flowers you have. What happened? What are you doing?
Back. You're fixing? Fix.
What's wrong with your bike?
Fix. I'm back. No, actually, you go like that. Fine.
Let him do it.
No.
Let him do it. Let him do it.
Fine. Your turn. Go on. You put it on there.
He knows how to do it. He did it earlier.
Let's go. Let's get back.
No, Sophia, get down.
Excuse me, but my bike needs some help. It's broken. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yeah. Okay then. Yeah. I can do it.
No, don't do that. You're going to mess with the bike.
Now I have a popsicle. And it's really sticky. See?
Where did you get that popsicle?
I got it from the refrigerator. Look at that bear. Look. Oh, can I have one?
No. Okay, say goodbye.